guys, welcome back to another video. And today since you know Christmas is almost here, and me and my friend Max has made a Christmas special. Come on, Max.
Over here.
Over here. There. Wave.
Hello.
And we are gonna show you the Christmas special. That's right. And we are gonna start out with.
We used all the dominoes, by the way.
Yeah, we used all the dominoes.
And 1,000. Would they have 1,000 dominoes?
So we're gonna start out from the snowflakes. So here's the snowflakes. And we're gonna move on with the ornaments.
Ornaments.
It looks like big walls
For some reason. But don't judge
And
us.
here are the stockings. I know, we're little kids. Someday when we grow up, we'll make better. And I'm sorry if you don't like this video, but seriously, we're trying our best.
Stocking, yeah, one stocking.
And then there's a star.
A Christmas star that goes on top of a tree and
Yeah.
cookies.
Yeah. And cookies for Santa. We are trying our best. We're just kids and we don't know that much. So we are trying here. And here is a snowman.
Especially for the tree we're trying. That's what we're showing you guys next.
Here's a tree. It looks like a big blob of throw up, but seriously, it's a tree. Christmas tree.
We tried our best. Well, we're just kids. And
We're
it's even
just
spelled
kids.
trees at the top. It even spells
We are
trees.
trying, guys. Please don't judge us on this. And here is the candy canes. And here's the chocolate milk. The part over here is like chocolate milk. We have no brown, so we use black instead. I
It's
know.
hot cocoa.
Yeah, it's hot cocoa. And we are trying our best, guys. And can we make it to 10,000 likes? If we can, I'll be super happy, and we might actually make a little party video. So I hope we get it to 10,000 likes. Bye, guys.
That's almost 1 million.
Yeah, that's almost 1 million.
9 more thousand likes. 90 more thousand likes.
Roblox? Yes. Okay, and that's the end of our video. Comments down below if the tree looks like a big, huge blob.
Or other comments.
Or other comments.
We would like other comments, not about the tree.
Not about the tree.
But you can still do comments about the tree, but no, we don't. It's okay if you do about the tree, but still, we don't want that many comments.
Yeah. Oh, guys, our hamster's never been in a video, so why not we show him? Here is Buster. We actually just named him today because our elf on the shelf just told us. Hey, Buster. Hey,
Wait,
Buster.
what about the goldfish? Goldfish.
Oh, wait. Where did he go? Hey there, Buster. Okay, let's come here. This is Spike. My brother named him. Let's see. Is he in there? No. Is he probably up here? Peekaboo. Hi there, Spike. Yes, they have boo-boos. And this is really sad. Come on. Hi there, buddy. And next, we have Humphrey. You might know the book of Humphrey. Yes, we copied the name. That's because he's the Humphrey guy. We really like him. He also, this hamster is special to us because he's the hamster that let us hold us in our hands. So here is, where is he? He's probably in his sleeping. Nope, not in his sleeping hut. Probably in his, he's probably in there. Let's see.
Yeah, he's probably in the Lego cage. Doesn't matter. Don't.
No.
Just say he's in the Lego cage.
No, I want them to see it. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Don't be shy.
Yep, he's in there somewhere. Let me just make him go out. Oh, there he is. Sorry, buddy, for interrupting your sleep. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And as I said, can we make it to 10,000 likes? If we can, I'll be so happy, and we might actually have
party.
no,
No, I didn't.
have a party and videotape it. Okay?
With the dominos.
Yeah. So bye.